Hello ducks, this is our maths task for today. So it is about sharing. So this is a really good PowerPoint for you to use and really shows how we share a number of objects between different people. So this is Baby Bear and he is having a party and he wants you to help him share the cakes between all of the people at his party. He needs to share the cakes fairly or equally so that each guest has the same number, because that is being fair, isn't it? And being a good friend. So this big button here says, let's start. So Mummy Bear has made 6 cakes. Before my guests arrive, can you help me count them? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Have we got all of the cakes that Mummy Bear made? Yes, we have, because he's got 6 cakes. Goldilocks has arrived. Can we share the cakes equally? Okay, and see how many do we get each. So there's the plate, says Baby Bear plate, and there's Goldilocks' plate. So I've got 1 to Baby Bear, 1 to Goldilocks, 1 to Baby Bear, 1 to Goldilocks, 1 to Baby Bear, and 1 to Goldilocks. How many cakes have they got each? They've got 3 cakes. Is that fair? Have they got an equal number of cakes? They have, haven't they? Baby Bear has got 3 and Goldilocks has got 3, so that means that is fair. Now, the big bad wolf has arrived. Okay, so let's share these cakes between them. 1 for Baby Bear, 1 for Goldilocks, 1 for the big bad wolf, 1 for the big bad wolf, 1 for the big bad wolf. Oh, 1 for the big bad wolf. Is that shared equally and fairly amongst the 3 of them? Have a look. Baby Bear has got 1 cake. Goldilocks has got 1 cake. The big bad wolf has got 4 cakes. Is that fair? No, it isn't fair, is it? Because the big bad wolf has got more than Baby Bear and Goldilocks. Well done. Now, let's see if we can share them equally this time. Are you ready? 1 for Baby Bear, 1 for Goldilocks, 1 for the big bad wolf, 1 for Baby Bear, 1 for Goldilocks, and 1 for the big bad wolf. Have a look at each plate. How many of each of them got? That's right. Baby Bear has got 2 cakes, Goldilocks has got 2 cakes, and the big bad wolf has got 2 cakes, which means they have all got 2 cakes. Is that fair? It is, because they all have the same. Okay, Mummy Bear has made some more cakes. Let's see how many cakes she's made now. Let's have a look. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mummy Bear has made 10 cakes. Now we've got to share them between Baby Bear, Goldilocks, and the big bad wolf. 1 to Baby Bear, 1 to Goldilocks, 1 to the big bad wolf, 1 to Goldilocks, 1 to the Baby Bear, 1 to Goldilocks, 1 to the big bad wolf, 1 to Baby Bear, 1 to Goldilocks, 1 to the big bad wolf. What can you notice? Have a look. What has happened? Baby Bear has got 3 cakes. Goldilocks has got 3 cakes. The big bad wolf has got 3 cakes. And then there is 1 cake left over. If I gave this cake to somebody, would that be fair? Would everybody have the same? No, they wouldn't, would they? One person would have one more, so that wouldn't be fair. Oh, some more guests have arrived. Okay, so let's see if we can share them equally. So we've got Baby Bear, Goldilocks, the Big Bad Wolf. I'm going to say this must be Hansel out of Hansel and Gretel, we could say, and we've got Little Red Riding Hood. One cake to Baby Bear, one cake to Goldilocks, one cake to the Big Bad Wolf, one cake to Hansel, one cake to Little Red Riding Hood, one cake to Baby Bear, one cake to Goldilocks, one cake to the Big Bad Wolf, one cake to the Big Bad Wolf, one cake to the Big Bad Wolf. Are these cakes shared fairly? Have a look at them. How many has each one got? No, you're right. Baby Bear has got 2 cakes. Goldilocks has 2 cakes. The Big Bad Wolf has 4 cakes. Hansel has 1 cake and Little Red Riding Hood has 1 cake. That is not fair. Which 2 people have got the same number of cakes? Yes, you're right. Hansel and Little Red Riding Hood have got the same. They've got 1 cake each. But Baby Bear and Goldilocks have got the same number of cakes as well, but they've got 2 cakes each. And the Big Bad Wolf has got more than anybody. So this time, can we see if we can share them equally? Okay. So we've got to share 10 cakes between the 5 guests. 1 to Baby Bear, 1 to Goldilocks, 1 to the Big Bad Wolf, 1 to Hansel, 1 to Little Red Riding Hood, 1 to Baby Bear, 1 to Goldilocks, 1 to the Big Bad Wolf, 1 to Hansel, and 1 to Little Red Riding Hood. Have a look. Have we put the cakes out fairly this time? We have, haven't we? Because each guest has got 2 cakes. Thank you for helping me share the cakes fairly. I hope you enjoyed that. I will put the PowerPoint onto our website and you can have a go of that yourself on your computer and let me know how you get on.